If A, B, C are non-zero and 14 raised to A is 36 raised to B is 84 raised to C, find the value of 6B into 1 by C minus 1 by A. Okay, again, as I've told you like several times during the class, you can just pause the video anytime and attempt the question, of course, and then you can resume to look at the solution that we're discussing. Okay. Yeah. So what we can do is 14 raised to A is 36 raised to B is 84 raised to C है. इस पूरे को हमने K मान लिया. ठीक है. Suppose we equate it to K. अब पहला वाला पार्ट निकालते हैं. 14 raised to A is equal to K. Alright guys. So basically इसका मतलब यही हुआ है ना कि अगर 14 raised to A is equal to K, then log of K to the base 14 will be equal to A, right? Power वही होती है, right? किस power में रेस करें कि हमें नंबर मिल जाए, right? But if I invert it, okay, 1 by A, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Log of 14 to the base K, right? हमने देखा है कि log of k to the base 14 अगर है a के बराबर तो 1 by a क्या हो जाएगा उसका reciprocal will be log of 14 to the base k. This we have discussed right in the previous class, right? So in that case what we can now do is we can now take the next part. 36 raised to b is equal to k. Okay, then again b क्या हो जाएगा? Log of k to the base 36, taking log on both sides. Again last step, 84 raised to the power c is equal to k, right? Okay, that means c will be equal to log of k to the base 84. मतलब 1 by c क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by c हो जाएगा log of 84 to the base k. Alright, अब जो भी हमने वैल्यूज फाइंड की है डायरेक्टली गाइस, 1 by a का, 1 by c का and b का, directly we substitute in the given question. Alright, so in place of b we substitute log of k to the base 36, right? In this, okay, in place of 1 by c we substitute log 84 to the base k, and in place of 1 by a we substitute log of 14 to the base k. All right. Now what we observe is ये है log of a to the base c minus log of b to the base c, which is nothing but log of a by b to the base c. हम सीख चुके हैं, right? Okay, whenever the numbers with the same base are divided, okay, same base, okay, then log a to the base c and log of b to the base c, okay, they'll be subtracted आगे जाके next property में, second property of Logarithms, right? Okay, so next step में हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? इसको लिखेंगे 84 upon 14 to the base k. Also 36 is nothing but 6 का square, right? तो हमने यहाँ 6 square लिख दिया. Okay, now यहाँ पे log of k to the base 6 square है. k का पावर क्या है guys? 1 और base का पावर क्या है? 2. So 1 by 2 बाहर आ जाएगा. So this will basically become 6 divided by 2, right? Okay, and 84 upon 14 is nothing but 6. Okay, so अब यहाँ पे क्या बचता है? Log of k to the base 6 and log of 6 to the base k. Okay, if you observe guys, ये दोनों reciprocals ही है ना, right? So what you can next do is you can replace log 6 to the base k by 1 upon log of k to the base 6, right? Inverse हो गया. Now you can cancel out these two. Okay, जो 1 के बराबर हो जाएगा. So final answer will be equal to 3 into 1 by 3. Suppose log of x to the base x to the base 3 is equal to log of y to the base 12 is equal to a, where x and y are positive numbers. If g is the geometric mean of x and y, then log of g to the base 6 is equal to. All right. Again, whatever is given to us separately, पहले break करते हैं उसको. Log of x to base 3 अगर a है, तो 3 raised to a हो जाएगा x. Okay. Same way, log of y to the base 12 अगर a है, y क्या हो जाएगा? 12 raised to a. Okay, now g is the geometric mean of x and y. Okay guys, geometric mean दो numbers का क्या होता है? For two numbers a and b, geometric mean is square root of a into b, right? So basically g square will be equal to x into y, or g is root xy. Okay, so in place of x we substitute 3 raised to a, and in place of y we substitute 12 raised to a, right? So g square becomes 3 raised to a into 12 raised to a. Okay, now powers are common, 3 raised to a, 12 raised to a. What we do is, okay, we take the power outside, power common, so it will become 36 raised to the power a, right? So basically ऐसा हो जाएगा. Okay, 3 raised to a है, 12 raised to a, so ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3 into 12, 12, 3 into 12 the whole raised to a, right? Okay, so 3 12 is 36, so g square is 36 to the power a in this case, right? So if g square is 36 to the power a in this case, हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? G square is equal to 6 square the whole raised to a. Okay, or you can also say this is a g square is 6 raised to a the whole square, ये भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, right? Now take square roots on both sides. Okay, you will simply get g is equal to 6 raised to a. Okay, अब क्वेश्चन क्या बोलता है? Find the value of log of g to the base 6. Okay, g का वैल्यू क्या है? 6 to the power a. Take a outside. 6 to the base 6. The answer is a, and this is again the D option. If log a to the base 2 plus log of b to the base 2 is greater than or equal to 6, then find the minimum value of a plus b. All right. The base is same and the numbers are added. Okay, log of a to the base 2 है plus log of b to the base 2 है, right? So हमने क्या किया? Basically इसको लिख दिया log of ab to the base 2 should be greater than or equal to 6. Okay, that gives us ab should be greater than or equal to 2 raised to 6, or ab should be greater than or equal to 64. Okay, अब हमें मिनिमाइज करना है किससे, a plus b को. Okay, a plus b upon 2 becomes the arithmetic mean, and we already have a into b, जो geometric mean का square है. Very clearly we have to use am greater than equal to gm. Okay, am क्या होगा इनका, a plus b upon 2 greater than equal to square root of ab. Okay, so a plus b upon 2 is basically greater than equal to 2 root 64. So a plus b should be greater than equal to 16. Very simple question, right? हमने यहाँ पे ab put कर दिया 64 directly. Okay, so got the answer. All right, let's go on to the next part. If a be a real number, then the roots of the equation x square minus 4x minus log a to the base 2 is equal to 0 are real and distinct if and only if. Okay, we know that x square minus 4x minus log a to the base 2 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation where a is equal to basically 1 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus log of a to the base 2. ये है इसका वैल्यू, राइट, एबीसी का वैल्यू. सो यहाँ पे बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac हमें निकालना पड़ेगा गाइस. एंड यू वांट रूट्स आर रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट. ओके, रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट रूट्स कब होते हैं गाइस, व्हेनेवर द बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 0, राइट. एंड इन दैट केस वी सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू, ओके, ए बी और सी का यहाँ पे. सो यू गेट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac ग्रेटर देन 0 एज माइनस 4 द होल स्क्वायर minus 4 into 1 into minus log a to the base 2 should be greater than 0. That gives us 16 plus 4 log a to the base 2 should be greater than 0. Or 4 log a to the base 2 should be greater than minus 16. Divide by 4 on both sides. So log of a to the base 2 should be greater than minus 4. Or a should be greater than 2 raised to minus 4. Okay, इसको उल्टा करेंगे, इनवर्स लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, a should be greater than 1 by 2 raised to 4, which is a greater than 1 by 16. That is option C. The next question says the real root of the equation 2 raised to 6x plus 2 raised to 3x plus 2 minus 21 is equal to 0 is okay. Now, again, what you can do here is you can substitute 2 raised to 3x as equal to a. And हम लोग guys equation को वैसे simplify करेंगे उस तरह से यहाँ पे. We'll write 2 raised to 6x basically as 2 raised to 3x the whole square. Okay. And 2 raised to 3x plus 2 basically क्या हो जाएगा guys, 2 raised to 3x into 2 raised to 2. देखो यही क्या है हमने यहाँ पे, right? These two parts, right? And wherever now we have 2 raised to 3x, just replace it by the term a. So you'll get a square plus a into 2 square minus 21 is 0, or a square plus 4a minus 21 is 0. A is 3 or a is minus 7. Okay, but a cannot be equal to minus 7, right guys, in this case, because if a is minus 7, 2 raised to 3x भी minus 7 के बराबर होगा. Okay, this is an index, right? 2 raised to some index, some positive index. Okay, x की वैल्यू अगर नेगेटिव भी हो जाएगी in this case, right? अगर सपोज इंडेक्स नेगेटिव भी हो गया तो 2 raised to something negative will be 1 upon 2 raised to something positive. तो ये वाला साइड हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही रहने वाला है, राइट? सो इट कांट बी इक्वल टू minus 7. Ignore it. Okay, so एक ही पार्ट बचेगा, 2 raised to 3x is equal to 3. That means log of 3 to the base 2 is 3x. X is log of 3 to the base 2 divided by 3, and this is your first option. Let log of 30 to the base a be equal to a. Log of 5 by 3 to the base a is equal to minus b, and log of a to the base 2 is 1 by 3. Then log of a to the base 3 equals what? All right. So we start by taking the first term, log of 30 to the base a is equal to a, because 30 को हम guys लिख सकते हैं 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so next step is apply property, or the first property of log of ab to the base c is log of a to the base c plus log of a to the base c, right? Numbers are multiplied, bases will get added. Okay, logs will get added, right? So log of 2 to the base a plus log of 3 to the base a plus log of 5 to the base a is equal to a itself. Okay, also now we look at the second property or second term given, log of 5 by 3 to the base a is minus b. Okay, 5 by 3 को divide किया है तो log क्या हो जाएगा, subtract. Log of 5 to the base a minus log 3 to the base a is minus b in this case, right? अब हम क्या करेंगे guys, we need the value of log of a to the base 3. Okay, तो हम लोग को बस a के टर्म्स चाहिए होंगे, okay, with base 3 here, right? तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 2 के और 5 के टर्म्स को निकालने का ट्राई करेंगे, right? Okay, we want this ताकि हम इससे इस पर्टिकुलर आंसर तक पहुंच सके. लॉग ऑफ 3 टू द बेस a अगर हमें मिल जाएगा, लॉग ऑफ a टू द बेस 3 वहां से निकालना काफी इजी होगा, राइट? सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू नो log of 2 to the base a, ये हम कैसे रिप्लेस करेंगे. सी log of a to the base 2 is given as 1 by 3, राइट गाइस? तो यहां से हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि log of 2 to the base a will be the reciprocal equal to 3. तो हम इसे क्या कर सकते हैं गाइस, इसे हम 3 से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, राइट? फर्स्ट स्टेप. ओके, and दूसरा, I will eliminate a log of 5 to the base a now by subtracting these two equations. Okay, so when we subtract these two equations, okay, ये दोनों cancel हो जाएंगे, as I told you, these two terms will get cancelled out. Okay, and I can replace log of 2 to the base a with 3 as I explained further पहले. Okay, so this will become 3 plus log 3 to the base a plus log 3 to the base a is equal to a plus b. Okay, 3 वहां ले जाओ, so it will be 2 into log 3 to the base a is a plus b minus 3. That means 1 upon log 3 to the base a is 2 upon 1 plus b minus 3. और log of a to the base 3 क्या हो जाएगा 2 upon 8 plus b minus 3 which is the first option.